Meaning of fire escape.
Fire escape.
Fire escape.
Fire escape.
Fire escape. A fire escape is an emergency exit commonly found on buildings, providing a means of escape in case of fire or other emergencies. It typically consists of a metal staircase or ladder attached to the exterior of a building and leading from upper floors to ground level. The purpose of a fire escape is to allow people to evacuate a building quickly and safely in the event of a fire or other emergency, providing an alternative to potentially dangerous interior staircases. Fire escapes are required by law in many countries and must meet certain safety standards to ensure they are effective.